Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new video, new content. In this video, we are going to learn about the bash scripting and its creation and execution and different commands using the bash scripting. First of all, let's go into the video. What is bash? Bash, also known as the Browning Again shell, it is a powerful command language interpreter and scripting language used to interact with Unix based operation systems like Linux and Mac OS. It allows users to execute commands, auto tasks, and manage system resource through the command line. Learning bash is beneficially for system administrators, programmers, and anyone who works with command line interface due to its versatility and efficiency in handling system operations and automating repetitive tasks. So let's get into the second like in this slide we are going to learn about the uses of bash scripting. First of all, the automation. Bash scripting can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing manual errors. For example, if you can automate file management, software installation, or system configuration. Coming to the second one, system administration. Bash is the fundamental tool for system administration to manage servers, configure networks, and troubleshooting issues. Programming fundamentals. Bash scripting introduce core programming concepts like flow control, if then statements, loops, and variables, which can helpful when learning other programming language. Efficiency. Bash is well suited for performing common system operations and manipulating files, making it practical too for various tools. So these are the four main fundamentals uses of a bash scripting. Now I'm going to give a live demo on the terminal, how to create the script and how to execute the script using different commands. Let's get into the live terminal.
We are in the terminal now, the Ubuntu terminal. So the first step, we have to write the script using nano hello.sh. So I'm typing that. I have created the script, so we are in the script now. So now we have to write the script. With that, we have to use the asterisk symbol, escalation slash bin slash bash. So I'm writing that, you can see on my screen. Then after echo, then we have to type the message to hello world. So this message we can see on the screen. Later this is output message for us, so whatever output message we want to look on the screen, just we have to type. But here I'm using as example hello world. Then control plus O, save, enter, and exited. Then now I have to write, like, make the script executable. For that, I'm using chmod. It's a command for executing the script, plus x hello.sh. This is my script name. Then the script got executed. Then let's go to this next line after pressing the enter. So you can see on the screen. Then we have to type dot slash hello dot sh for the output. See, we got the hello world, which I have type in the script. So this is the basic script writing and executing of a script. So I hope you all understand this video. So in this video we learned about writing the script and what is bash, what are the uses of bash, and how to execute a script and how to get output the script. If you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet back in the next video. Thank you.